Hello, my name is Sarah Jane Haney. This is my EDL 852 Module 1 presentation. A little bit about me. I was born and raised in Olathe, Kansas. I have a bachelor's in elementary education from the University of Kansas, which I received in 2019. Ever since I graduated in 2019, I've been a first grade teacher at Eudora Elementary School in Eudora, Kansas, which is just about 15 minutes from Lawrence, Kansas. A few things I love: my cat Ace, pictured there, the Kansas City Chiefs, Kansas basketball, and then documentaries, specifically true crime documentaries. My work environment: I've been at EES since August 2019. My first grade team consists of 9 teachers. We've got 7 grade level teachers, a resource teacher, and then a reading teacher. So we've got a big team, but we all do a really awesome job of working together and collaborating. And this last school year is what brought me to FHSU to pursue my master's in education leadership. I noticed I was taking a lot of leadership opportunities this past year during the pandemic, and I knew I wanted to get my master's, but I was debating on what in. So that just definitely led me in the direction towards education leadership. So, school mission statements. What is a school mission statement? A mission statement is how you would describe the school to others. What is the role and the importance? The role of a mission statement is to describe what is being done to achieve the school vision. A mission statement is important because it provides others with an understanding of what exactly the school is doing to achieve its vision. What is a school vision? A school vision statement is created to help people understand how you hope to be viewed by others and describe some of their highest priorities. The role and importance of a school vision is to provide a purpose and common goal for all stakeholders to work toward. And a quote that really stuck out for me in the readings was, "Excellence comes from sharing a passion for a common goal," and that really stuck out to me because I think when we have that common goal, it really becomes apparent, how well we can all work together. And so incorporating that mission and vision into everything we do can fuel that passion. So mission and vision statements work together. According to Drew, a vision outlines the values and objectives of the organization, while a mission describes what is currently being done to achieve the organization's vision. The processes for collaboratively developing a mission and vision include soliciting input from other stakeholders, collaborating with the leadership team over the input gathered to formulate a draft vision or in mission statement, and then presenting the draft and asking for feedback. And then the last part is unveiling the statement to all. And then the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision, attentive to values and priorities. One thing that was mentioned was when developing an actionable mission, it is important the mission answers the following questions: who do you want to serve? What do you want to accomplish? How will you proceed? So, a actionable mission should include the answers to all of those questions. There are also 4 key processes in developing actionable mission and vision statements, including casting the vision, implementing the vision, communicating and branding the vision, and sustaining the vision. Characteristics of well-written mission and vision statements include, like I said earlier, the inclusion of those answers to those 3 questions: what do you want, who do you want to serve, what do you want to accomplish, and how you will proceed. Mission and vision statements should have clearly stated objectives and be academically focused as well. What are the common problems associated with mission and vision statements? So according to the Center for School Change, when mission or vision statements are unclear, it can lead to continued conflicts and the lack of ability to identify school priorities. My thoughts on mission and vision statements. Prior to these readings, I had never really deeply thought about mission and vision statements and how they could be so important to the success of a school. And Drew discussed how mission and vision statements keep all stakeholders focused on the core purpose of the school. And that really stuck out to me and showed me how important it is that mission and vision statements are incorporated. The examples shared in the article also helped give me a good understanding of mission and vision statements that can make a positive impact on schools. So my school's mission and vision statement. So my district and school do not have specific mission and vision statements. I knew before starting to look for my school's mission and vision statements that I did not know mine, and clearly I didn't know because we don't have them. I did find that we have 4 core values, including collaboration, class size, personalized education, and early childhood. I had never specifically heard those goals or core values talked about, but I do know that those are things that we value in everything that we do. I just don't know how well that's being discussed daily. How it compares to my research. So considering we do not have a mission or vision statement, we have a lot of areas we can improve, including formulating a mission and vision and clearly displaying them. So changes I would propose would be to collaboratively create a vision statement for the school-specific ones. So one for the elementary, one for the middle, and one for the high school. After creating our vision statement, we can formulate an actionable mission statement focused on academic achievement based on our values. So using those core values that we have and just formulating them into mission and vision statements. How does this support educational success and well-being of students and adults? I believe actionable mission and vision statements provide staff the opportunities to clearly focus on specific aspects of education to support the increase of student achievement. It also provides a better opportunity for expectations to be clearly stated for staff members, which ultimately supports their success and growth as educators. One thing I forgot to include was parents as well, and I think it helps parents understand our values and making sure that their values and our values align for the success of their student. Standard correlation. My assignment demonstrates correlation to the standard by providing me the opportunity to research and reflect on mission and vision statements and successfully creating and implementing them in my future as a leader. Relevant. This assignment is relevant to my current learning because as a leader, I need to know the ins and outs of successful building leadership, which starts with creating, implementing, and supporting a quality mission and vision. This assignment improved my understanding of mission and visions because I was able to complete research and reflect on the readings of my own personal experiences with missions and visions. Reflection. This assignment will influence the decisions I make as a future leader because I now know the positive impact that can happen when a school prioritizes their mission and vision. I feel better equipped to incorporate a school's mission and vision into my leadership as well as to help create a successful mission and vision statement. And here's my references. Thank you so much. I'm excited for this class.